Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. So today we are going to learn how to avoid restarting the app. So whenever we do some of the changes, we again restart the app. So we want something like it will restart automatically. So how it will be possible? So it will be possible with the help of a package of the Node.js npm package. So before that, those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So the package name is Nodemon. So you need to install npm I Nodemon. Okay, this is a package name. So it will install the package. Okay, so here we have to configure this one. So how to configure that one? So go to your project. This is package.json. So here I have run with the dev dependencies. So I will add here Nodemon in the main.js, right? So this is the package. Now you can see that I'm going to run npm run script dev. It's a dev part, right? So npm run script dev, enter. Okay, so you can see the hello world. Now I'm going to change that hello world to hello world 2. So and I no need to just I'm going to save, and it will automatically restart the app. It will print hello world 2. So you don't want to restart the app by going and just write it npm run script dev. Use the node mode that will automatically restart your app whenever you do any kind of changes in your package, in your main files, right? So it will automatically restart the app. So easy. So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.